Hi, I'm Julie with Hubert. Today I'd like to show you how to operate our electric chafing set. So when you order the electric chafing set from Hubert, one thing you may notice when you unpack your item is that there's no separate water pan in the set. Basically, with an electric chafing set, your warmer or the electrical unit doubles as the water pan, so there's no need to have a separate water pan. What you'll have is a plug in the back and then a dial on the side to control the thermostat of the water pan. The thermostat at its max temperature will reach 185 degrees Fahrenheit. If the water starts to overheat, the thermostat will automatically shut off. When putting your water into the warming unit, you will notice that there's actually a water line etched on the side of the pan so that you know how full to put the water in. So you simply pour the water in directly to the warming unit until it reaches the water line. Once you have enough water in, you're going to go ahead and place your food pan full of the food into the unit, and you're ready to go. And that's how you operate an electric chafing set. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, and thanks for watching.